Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I want to share a finish with you that comes from Fansells. So I will pop a link up in the eye to my original unboxing of this, but I am so pleased of how it came together. And here it is. So this is the little Fansells wooden snack tray. You can see, oh, ring light there shining in it. So it's got this lovely perspex cover, and then the diamond painting sits inside. It is a solid, I guess, pine wood, probably surround. It's a great size. Let me just measure that for you. So it measures 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and yeah, would be the perfect size for some biscuits or cakes or a couple of coffees. Really nice. In fact, I think it would work just as well to stick next to the bed to chuck your rings or watch or bits and pieces in at the end of the day, or you know, put on the side of your desk, chuck your pens and bits and pieces in it. It would have a number of different uses. I am so happy with it. I will say it was a little tricky to put together. At the corners, the wooden pieces fit together beautifully once I trimmed up some little rough edges. However, the screws, there is no pilot hole for them to go into. So when I realised that that was going to be a problem, I took it apart and re-drilled the pilot holes, and that made it a lot easier to put together. Additionally, I added some glue along the sort of edges where the diamond painting and the perspex slide in, because without that it was a little bit wiggly, but with that there it sits firm. I just used some of Aleene's tacky gel, but any wood glue or something that dries clear, probably PVA, would do the job perfectly. So yeah, I am super pleased with it. It's come together really nicely and it's going to make a wonderful gift. In fact, by the time this video goes out, it will have already been gifted to my mum for Mother's Day, and I think it will hopefully have been very well received. The image itself is super cute. The drills went down really nicely. It was poured glue. There was no problem with the stick, and I had plenty of leftovers as well. So yeah, on the whole, I'm very pleased, and I'm definitely going to do more of these given the chance. So do remember that you can pop on over to Fansells and use my discount code, which is on screen now, so that you can save a little bit of money there on any of the things that you choose to treat yourself to. And let me know down below, if you had a tray like this, what would you use it for? I am going to leave this here for today. I've got a couple more items from Fansells that I'm going to try and maybe work on this month. Both of them are floral, so they'll fit in really nicely with the All Petals event that I'm currently taking part in. So if I get a chance, I'm going to do those as well. And of course, you will see a post review for them as soon as they are available. So with all that being said, I'm going to leave this here. If you've enjoyed this, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, share with a friend. And if you feel able to, please do consider popping over to Patreon and supporting me there. You can also come across to join the Facebook group, which is the Crafty Coven. Links, as always, down below. And until next time, stay crafty.